Byddech chi wedi gofyn I fi 5 mlynedd ar hugain yn ôl be bydde'r swydd delfrydol byddwn ni wedi gweud sylwebydd pêl-droed, town and country planner ac ar y brig creu citiau pêl-droed. Fi wedi dod I Gasnewydd I siarad gyda rhywun sy'n byw y freuddwyd.
My name's Will Morgan. I'm the owner of Tor Sports.
So how did Tor Sports start?
I do quite a lot of work with my local club, Rogerstone AFC. I was in charge at the time of sourcing our kits, and I thought rather than go for the typical template that you see a lot of other clubs wearing, I'd try and do something different. I'll always say that Rogerstone home shirt is what started everything off.
Yeah.
It's my club as well, which helps, but you know, the success of that is what created the platform for the business to really grow. From there, the clubs we play start asking, where do you get the kit from? And 4 years down the line now, 4 years this month, and sort of full-time, got some staff in full-time, and yeah, it's grown quickly, but it's been fun.
You've obviously not always been a kit designer, so what was before?
No, so I qualified as a civil engineer, got my degree, got my masters and everything. I enjoyed it, I didn't love it. Back when I was working as a civil engineer, I was doing that in the day, coming here in the evenings and doing this until 11, 12 o'clock at night every day. So it's a lot calmer in here today than it is normally. In terms of the tracksuits, they're all blanks, so we'll stitch crests on, we'll press initials on and sponsors on, and that's what's all done here. That's actually a lot more time consuming. We had a baby 2 years ago, and then obviously when we knew the baby was coming, I had to make a decision. So it was sort of take a risk and give this a go, play it safe, and civil engineering will always be there, so I'll try something else.
This is my favourite.
All the tiles were hand-drawn by one of our designers.
You play for Rogerstone. What's it like playing against your clients?
I've had to behave myself a little bit more, I guess. I'd say typically I probably used to try and wind people up a little bit, but with them being clients now, I try and keep my mouth shut when I'm playing. I'd say Gwent's got a really nice community for football. Everyone sort of knows each other. There's some really good clubs around that have been really good to work with. I've built relationships with a lot of clubs now that I'd say are past business relationships. I've made some good friends, and it's been a great hub for starting the business up, I'd say.
There's quite a lot of wacky kits here.
Yeah, I mean, that's our bread and butter, really, is there's not any limitation to what we can do. The good days are when you get a club contact you out of the blue and say, we've seen the stuff you do and we really want to work with you. And that can come on any day. Just an email pops up or a message will pop up on WhatsApp and we've got a new project. The brief that we get from clubs varies massively from club to club. Some will come to us and say, this is specifically what we want. They'll give us sort of a mood board or say, we want this design, and then we'll try and create what they're after, and then we'll tweak it until it's exactly what they're looking for. And then some clubs will say, look, we want to use you, we want something different, but we completely trust you through the design process. So the brief can be as precise or as vague as it needs to be, and we'll just work to that.
I like this little detail on the Gwalia kit.
Yeah, so the embossed cuffs, that's the first time we've actually done that. We started working with Gwalia. They'll be known as Gwalia from next season, but it's Cardiff City Ladies at the moment. We started working with them in the past few months. They were keen to work with local Welsh brands. We'd like to be seen as the go-to brand in Wales. We're trying to push out into West Wales, we're trying to push out into North Wales. We're passionate about promoting the brand of Welsh football itself, and I think there's not anyone out there who can do it as well as us.